Hey everyone, and welcome back to RoamTips.com. In today's quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to easily add a contact on your iPhone. Whether it's a new friend, a business contact, or just someone you want to keep in touch with, adding them to your iPhone is super simple. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. We release new content weekly to help you master your mobile life. Okay, let's get started. There are actually a few different ways to add a contact on your iPhone, and we're going to cover the two most common and easiest methods. Method 1. From the phone app. 1. First, open the phone app. It's the one with the green phone icon. 2. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Contacts tab. It usually has a little person icon. 3. In the top right corner, you'll see a plus symbol sign. Tap on that. 4. Now you can enter the contact's information. Start with their first name and last name. 5. Below that, you'll see a field to add their phone number. Tap on it and type in their number. You can also select the type of number it is, mobile, home, work, etc., by tapping the label next to the number field. 6. You can also add other details, like their email address. Just tap Add Email. 7. If you want to add even more information, like their address, birthday, or even a custom ringtone, just scroll down. 8. Once you're happy with all the information you've entered, tap Done in the top right corner. And that's it. Your new contact is saved. Method 2. From a recent call or text message. 1. Let's say you just got a call or a text from someone who's not in your contacts yet. Go to the phone app again. 2. If it was a recent call, go to the Recents tab. If it was a text, go to the Messages app. 3. Find the phone number you want to add. 4. In the phone app, tap the eye icon next to the number in your call history. In the Messages app, just tap on the contact icon at the top of the screen. 5. You'll see options like Create New Contact or Add to Existing Contact. If this is a brand new person, tap Create New Contact. 6. This will bring up the same contact creation screen we saw earlier. Fill in the rest of the information as needed, and tap Done.
Optional tips and tricks
Adding a photo Want to put a face to the name? Tap Add Photo at the top of the contact creation screen to choose a picture from your library or take a new one. Syncing with accounts. Your iPhone syncs contacts with accounts like iCloud, Google, and Outlook. Make sure you're saving your contacts to the account you prefer. You can manage this in your iPhone settings under Contacts, then Default Account. And that's all there is to it. Adding contacts on your iPhone is a breeze. You now know 2 easy ways to keep your contacts organized and up to date. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. What other iPhone tutorials would you like to see? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.